Hey, Dave Kelly here, member of Aquascape Pond Squad and also known as the Tech Guy. And today, I'm going to provide you some technical tips on how to maximize the performance of the IonGen water treatment system. One of the most important factors to having success with the IonGen is to ensure there's good water circulation across the probe. An excessive buildup of scale in the bars is an indicator that there may not be sufficient water flow. The scale will decrease the distribution of ions being released in the water, as well as affect the ability to raise and lower the control panel's ionization level. The scale can be easily brushed or scraped off the bars, which will improve the probe's performance. The IonGen does contain a built-in self-cleaning mechanism for the probe, but it does require sufficient water flow to work properly. If you repeatedly notice scale building up on the probe, then you may want to move the probe to an area of better water flow. The best location is to install the probe right into the main water feature plumbing. If you're not able to install it in the main plumbing, then make sure it is in an area with high water flow, such as set in the filter or directly in the stream and waterfalls. If the probe is installed in the filter, it can be removed from the flow chamber and hung down in the water, increasing the probe's contact with the flowing water. The IonGen probe will typically last between 1 and 3 years, depending on the size of the water feature and how high the IonGen's power level is operated at. One of the easiest ways to maximize the life of the probe is by only raising the power level on the control panel when needed. The power level should be lowered back down when the desired water quality results are achieved. If you live in a region with a cold winter climate, you can also prolong the life of the probe by shutting down the IonGen during the winter when it's not needed. Spring is a great time to perform a few maintenance steps to get your IonGen off to a good start. Visually inspect the bars in the probe and replace the probe if the bars are exhausted. Starting out the season with a new probe will really boost the performance of the IonGen. If you notice a significant amount of uneven wear on the two bars, it may be that the probe is not installed in the proper direction in the flow chamber. There's a small red dot on the top of the probe that indicates the direction of flow. The water should pass between the two bars. Make sure the orientation is in the right direction when reinstalling the probe. If there's still life left in the probe's bars, make sure to remove any scale buildup before reinstalling it. Hopefully the tips I provided you today will help you maximize your results with the IonGen system. For more information on the IonGen or any other Aquascape product, please visit us at www.aquascapeinc.com.